We're constantly exposed to opportunities in life, at work, at school and at home. However, many opportunities are missed or not taken full advantage of. Often we're unsure of how to take advantage of an opportunity and create barriers. These barriers can turn a potentially positive situation into a negative one, a problem. A problem is any unpleasant situation which prevents people from achieving what they want to achieve. Any activity to eliminate a problem is termed as problem solving. Problem solving skills refer to our ability to solve problems in an effective and timely manner without any stumbling blocks. All problems have two features in common. Number one, goals. Goals can be anything that you wish to achieve or where you want to be. If you're hungry, then your goal is probably to eat something. If you are the head of an organization, a CEO, then your main goal may be to maximize profits, and this main goal may need to be split into numerous sub-goals in order to fulfill the ultimate aim of increasing profits. The second feature of all problems is that there are barriers. If there were no barriers in the way of achieving a goal, then there would be no problem. Problem solving includes or involves overcoming the barriers or obstacles that prevent the immediate achievement of the goals. Following the example that we've shared, if you're feeling hungry, then your goal is to eat. A barrier to this may be that you have no food available, so you take a trip to the supermarket and buy some food, removing the barrier and thus solving the problem. Of course, for the CEO wanting to increase profits, there may be many more barriers preventing the goal from being achieved. The CEO needs to attempt to recognize those barriers and remove them, or find other ways to achieve the goals of the organization. Just like any other skill, the art of problem solving can be learned and improved upon. Here are a few tips to help you improve the skill. Number one, detach yourself from the problem. Don't regard yourself as the problem itself, and don't presume you are incapacitated to solve the problem. See the problem as the enemy that has to be defeated by you. Number two, analyze it in parts and not as a whole. Don't see the problem as a whole big unit that needs to be fixed. That may deter you from attempting to solve it. Rather, break it into parts and tackle them step by step and portion by portion. The little pieces you solve will add up to become the solution for the whole unit. For instance, if there's turmoil in your organization, analyze the various aspects or departments of the organization. Choose one problematic area, such as communication, to start from. When that is fixed, you may move on to the other problematic areas. Number three, be inquisitive and investigative. Being inquisitive and conducting thorough investigation and research helps you identify what the core of the problem is. In other words, it grants you access to the core of the problem. Once the real cause of the problem is known, it becomes easier to solve it. Number four, be open to suggestions. Other people's contributions can be very helpful. It saves you from the time of having to search for every piece of information that is needed. Having good, strong problem-solving skills can make a huge difference in your life and career. Problems are only opportunities in work clothes.